My camera always has a bad angle. I'm gonna tell my mom, right? She can't buy me a new phone. This time it's a Samsung.
You should have bought a Samsung ages ago.
Bro, that's pounding rain, bro. And you know some parts here are like already hailing, bro. And bro, guess what level this thing has? It has 4 different types of cloud levels. Yeah, this is cool.
That's nice there.
Bro, this is good here. Look at this. We waited like 8 months. Whoa, I got that on camera. We waited like 18 months. Wait. No, wait. Oh. We waited like 8. Do you wait for like 8 months for this type of rain, bro? Yeah, we waited 8 months for this type of rain.
You told me like we're 8 months away.
I'm not joking. This thing's fast, bro. Remember last time? Bro, hey, bye-bye. I was waiting for you. Wait.
Shut up.
Wait, wait. It's at the mall now. Come on.
Oh, no, what's the two?
Okay, man, do you understand for rain, bro?
What's up? You know what now?
See him. Sky is green. Oh. Nice. Run, nigga! Stop crying. Stop pretending. Come on, Panzalo. Okay, now it's at home.
This is pure bad business and not a good time.
Right. See, man, look, we literally can't. Hey, man, nigga, somewhere, break something.
You want to
Give me more. Yeah. Come here. Yeah? Hey, sorry, I don't in. Nah, laying. This is deep, bro. Bro, look at this.
Let me test how deep it is.
Okay. Test it. Ungawi, chef.
Hey! It's like this deep, bro.
How deep is it?
Like this.
Oh, okay, that's not that far. What? Except one mistake for the wheel. Hey. Wait, look. Let's go check out the creek.
Magic. Excellent, c'est très bien. My shoe is over that side,
Come on, come on. Let's go to the creek. Johnny. Fonde uma vida. Ah, dança nada. Eles é garagem do Chile, when? Go back inside. Run. Nah, look, that's a goal. It's a kichima. Main, kichim. There's somebody talking on that side. Damn now. How much at the creek? Huh? Oh, yeah. Most of it. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Hey bro, look at that side, bro. Engathi uNkulunkulu, chef. Bro, look how green that is, bro. Oh. And it's so lucky. Look. See this? It's not gonna come here. The range just split like most just did this thing. Look.
Oh, you'll take my car.
Hey Mac. Toilet again. Butuka kala ukinyatsa ngani. Eh? Eh, no ke net ngala. Ah, ngaboni. No, just run. In. More. You. Look at this.
Is that rain over there?
Yeah, we full on by that. Got that on camera. Bro, that's all pounding.
Seeing, Lord. I can't believe I'm seeing this.
You never thought rain looks like that? What? Like what shot looks like?
Come through, Shalapa. Your ballet, I think on the fast. Check his side. Bro, check his side.
Hey man. Hang on. You know why?
Huh?
We're not gonna get any rain. Just yeah, look. You gotta look. See that? That's just little. To the point of so you can even go on by foot at this point. Friction with like the tiny like water vapor. Bro, look all that green. I wish that was us, bro. I wish that was us. You see all that green over there, like that side? Yeah, nangala, nasala. That's 3 thunderstorms. Hey, ngcono kusanuka la. Kwashekile konke la sokwandilayini.
I've seen everything. Good. This was so good to hammer.
When?
Just started talking about it.
Yeah, man, buka kama mhlushe shefu. Cabanga semall. Eh, kube ngagijinga phela nyawo confirm. Oh, look at that wall, bro. My phone's not good enough to just like get a good picture there.
It's moving. I'm sure so you're laying down.
Ah!
So,
You know if that rain was like that? Never. Eh, you're missing out. And you guys said also like I was.
oh my word.